Man, bike sounds awesome. Woo! Spicy. I think that's that coffee spot. Let's try it. See all types of people here. Tourists from around the world, locals that are just interesting people to say the least. Yeah. Welcome to Venice Beach, California. It is a beautiful day right now. It's been raining non-stop here in Los Angeles for days, like serious rain. And yeah, so it's finally gone. So that means it's time to get on a bike. The Husky was just calling me, and man, I am so happy with this bike. It is such a fun escape every time you jump on this thing. Anyway, we're in Venice right now, and I just pulled over quickly. This place, just never seen it. Looks like this is like a new pop-up thing. So looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. One of the things I want to do in this channel is just cruising around SoCal on bikes and showing you guys like what it's like, and not just like on the bike, but just like the vibe of the city, if that's the right word. Anyway, maybe I'll circle back here later after the ride, but for now, let's get on the Husk, have some fun. So the other day I was making a video about this, and then had a little issue with my memory card. Couldn't finish it. So I was trying to tell you, lovely peeps, that I was doing a little work on the Husky. I wanted to pull the DB out, and I realized actually that it was tack welded on. Wonder why they would do that, right? And so anyway, I got it off, and it was just way too loud. I mean, it was so loud you could no. So, and I love like loud, deep thumpers, but this was too much. So we did a little modification though. We took out like the backstop of the DB, sawed it off because it's all metal, just to kind of give it a little bit more airflow. And oof, yeah, so far it's awesome. I think it's a good mix because it still has the DB in, which is keeping it semi, you know, like not full balls out crazy, but letting some more air in, and I think it's getting a good sound too. So we might run with this for a bit. If anything, I could just weld the cap back onto the DB and do that again. So anyway, it's so nice after the rain. You just the air smells really good. But why not go for a little ride? Show you guys a little spin around Venice. As you can see, we're in Venice. Yeah, you see all types of people here. Tourists from around the world, locals that are just interesting people to say the least. Yeah. Welcome to Venice Beach, California. Yeah, the bike feels good right now. It feels really good. So, as of now, we got the Power Commander 6 on it, which has been night and day. Like, wow. This bike was great as it was, but the first thing I complained about, which was a con on my first ride getting it, was the fueling. From the factory, completely factory stock bike, it just was so twitchy down below. Like if you were in any kind of traffic situation and lane filtering, and just twitchy if you weren't on the gas. So the Power Commander has just smoothed that out completely, like completely smoothed it out, which is awesome, which is great. Not only that, you feel the difference too in the bike, all through the rev range. It is just so smooth now. So if you have a 690, 701, the gas, highly recommend you do the Power Commander on it. Yeah, so otherwise I am super happy with the Husky. Man, it is just a beautiful day right now. It's been like hurricane winds, not hurricane winds, but it's been really rough here for a few days, so this is really nice. Oh man, that looks good. I think I have to take a picture for the gram, you know, for the gram. That looks pretty cool. Hold on.
A few moments later.
You want some pictures with you on it?
Oh, I'm okay, thanks. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have a cool. Oh, let's not go through that thing. Nice girl. Alright guys, let's continue. We can't go that way. Alright girl, go. So right now, leaving this area, we're gonna head into Marina Del Rey a little bit. It's a little bit more Venice, but yeah. This will be kind of like a hood tour of beachside Los Angeles on the 701. A little backside of Abbot Kinney. Yeah, these are cool places right here. Man, all of these places are just awesome to live. It's a great area. We'll do a little loop right now. This is like the backside of Abbot Kinney, and we'll take that coming back up. And I want to find that coffee place that we passed by in the beginning. Look at that old Chevy. Is that Chevy? Driverless cars, I'm always like freaked out with these ones. I mean, no one's driving. Alright, what is going on here? Everyone's looking for parking spots. Come on. Are you serious? Yeah, let's definitely try that new coffee place that just opened. Little pop-up. We got to go this way, and then actually we can go down one more. Yeah, it'll be better, faster. Okay. Nice. Woof woof. Good old boy. Oop. Oh man, bike sounds awesome. Woo! Spicy. Love it. Yeah, and like here's an example of like the Power Commander, right? Just coasting. Like I'm not giving it barely any throttle. Like right here, first gear, like nothing, right? 10 miles an hour, okay? Just putting through. No jerk at all. Just fantastic. That would have stalled out on the other one. 100%. 100%. I think that's that coffee spot. Let's try it. Yeah, let's give it a try. Nice. Very nice. Alright, that was awesome. This place is definitely going to be in my new favorite list. Another thing, they've just been playing non-stop classic awesome rock, which is fantastic. And the husk is waiting. Alright, let's do this.